So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a school backpack. Alright, so this is the material we are using. So, and the measurement is 12 inches by 16 inches. 12 inches by 16 inches. So I've already shaped it. So all you need to do is join it together like so. So when you have your material like this, you join it together and give it a curve. You come to the bottom, you give it a curve. Okay, so the main body is 12 by 16 inches. So this one, 12 by 16 inches. Then this is for the front pocket. I'm using a cartoon character, so I cut out something a little bit bigger than the cartoon character. So if if whatever cartoon character you're using should give you the measurement for the front pocket. Okay, so that's what I did here. So the next thing is, all right, so we are going to start with, so let me also give you the measurement for the handle. Okay, so we are using the same material for the handle, and the handle is 16 by 2.5. You need 4 pieces. So after that, you shape it to your desired shape. All right, so and then for the pocket of the bag, okay, I mean the zipper side. So this is the zip side. The zip side is this is 2.5 by 24.5. so this is the zipper side or the zip side. So you can see 24.5. so you need 2 pieces. 2.5 by 24.5, you need 2 pieces. And then for the down part or the down gusset, okay, for the down part of the zipper side, you need 30 inches by 4 inches. Okay, so you can check the description box for more information about the measurement. So I will drop the measurement in the description box. So, and do not forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Tarron Innovative World channel. Okay, so now we're going to be working on the handle first of all. All right, so you see what we have here. So you just stitch it round. So the next thing is to belt the handle. So using my 1-inch belt, so I'm going to start from this and end up in this location, at this side. So this is what we have. So the next thing I'll proceed to do is to fix my adjuster. So the measurement for this belt is 14 inches. So this is what I'm going to do, like so. So you can see my adjuster is moving, right? So after now, I'll top stitch this. I'll top stitch from here to this point. Let's quickly do that. So these are ready. So we're going to keep this aside and work on the zip side. Okay, so this is my wrong side, so this is the right side. So right side is facing right side this way. So I'll pick my lining. Make sure your lining is the same length or a little bit longer. So I'll stop stitch. So the next thing I will do is to fold it this way and top stitch on it again. So I'm going to detach this second, that's this the other side, and then fix it on this. So I'm doing the same thing I did the first time. Turn, let your wrong side be facing you and the right side be facing the right side of the material. Place the other one on it and top stitch. The next thing is to fix your runner, or you call it zip head. So for this you're fixing 2. Okay, so we are done with the zip side, or the zip. So we are done with the zip side. So I'm notching the center because we'll still need it later. So this is, so I'm keeping this aside now. Then the next thing is to work on the down gusset, or on the downside. Okay, all you need to do is line it. So I'm going to cut lining of the same size, then stitch it round. So these 2 are ready. Now I'm keeping this aside, and then I'll work on the back side of the backpack. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'll cut a lining of the same size and then top stitch it round this way. No, the lining should be, can you see what I have? It should be wider than this. Okay, and it should be longer than it, so that you can comfortably stitch round. Right, so this is what we have. So I'm going to trim it off, trim the excess. So the next thing to do is to notch the center of this backpack. That is, get the center at the top and at the bottom. So now we're going to be fixing the handle of this backpack this way. So set it to the middle, set it to the middle this way, and top stitch it. So if you are adding an hanger, so for the hanger, cut 9 inches. So you set it like so, okay, and top stitch from this edge to this edge. Top stitch it well. So I'm going to cut off the excess. So cut 4 by 4 inches. Okay, so fold it into a square, into a rectangle. 1, 2. So I'm going to fix this. So this is 20 inches. So fix it inside and top stitch it. Top stitch it like this. The next thing is to fix this like so. Okay, can you see what we have? So you top stitch here, top stitch here, very well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fix this belt into this like so. So the same thing here. So this is an adjustable. Okay, so we'll keep this aside. We're done with this. Keep it aside. So we are now on the front side of the backpack. So top stitch this round and trim off the excess. So I'm going to trim off the excess. So I want to give it a curve. Okay, I want to curve it. So all I will just do is place it like this and give it a beautiful curve. Okay, all right. So after now, I'm now going to line it. So top stitch it round. I'm going to be fixing my zip clothes like so. Okay, so on this side as well. See what we have. I'm done with it, right? So now the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to see, I use my pin So you top stitch the bottom, top stitch the top. Okay, so we're going to top stitch the top. Okay, but then let's deal with the bottom first. So after now, use something to hold it firm, then you top stitch this round like this, top stitch it to from this end to this end. So guys, we're done with this. So the next thing is to fix my runner. So after fixing your runner this way, the next thing is to top stitch the bottom here and cut off the excess zip. So now the next thing is to line it. Okay, cut a lining that will fit this and stitch it round. We're going to go ahead to fix our zip side. So make sure you notch the center of the bag. So we're going to stitch it like this. Anywhere you end, make sure you leave a little. Don't stitch to these points, like leave like a little, like maybe 1 inch. Yes, leave like 1 inch. So I'm fixing the down part now. So we are done with this. So we are fixing the down part. You still follow through like this and like this. The thing I'm going to do is to fold it together like this and top stitch it. Okay, I'm going to be top stitching this. Alright guys, so after that you then cut a strap and use it to cover it. Then we're going to top stitch here now. Alright guys, so the next thing is to stitch it like this. Okay, so we are done with this. The next thing is to join it together with the back side. So you follow it like this. So let's see. Follow it through like this and stitch it round. So you just like fixing a round front in a round hole. So you just follow it like this. Okay, and just make sure that the notch side eventually meet together at this point. So they should meet together at this point. So if it meets together, it means that it's balanced. But if it's not, your bag will, it will shift, it will form it won't be balanced. Okay, so it has to meet in the middle. So if you have done the right thing, so let me just show you what I mean. So we have an ongoing class on Telegram. So if you want to go into bag making business like fully, and you want to learn different types of bags, you want to learn the business aspect, I will encourage you to join our Telegram class. There you have access, access to mentorship, personal mentorship from me. So let me show you what I mean. Can you see that after I'm done? Can you see now the two notch side meet together, right? So it means that my bag will be balanced. But if the two notch sides do not meet together, it's not going to form. It's going to, one side will bend. Okay, so I'll leave it like this. Once I am sure that the bag is balanced, I will leave it and then come back to this point and start again and meet at that point. let me show you what I did here. So this is why you don't join it like you don't go the way, like you see that when I got the center, when I ensure that it's the two notch side is it meet, I ensure that I now started my sewing from the top. Look at the reason. Can you see that now? Because I want it to be balanced, and I notice that I can now do my adjustment so that it's, you know, it will be balanced. But assuming I started it from that point and I ended up like straight like this, it's not going to form, it will be bent. So this is the way to get the shape of your bag, of your backpack correctly. You can see that this is balanced, right? Okay guys, so the next thing is to bias this round. Okay, just bias it, hide this and make it look professional. If you've watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly click on that subscribe button, comment in the comment section, what did you learn in this video? How excited are you? Are you willing to try it? Comment in the comment section. All right guys, so when we are done with the biasing, I will show you. This is what we have. So we're going to turn the bag to the other side, to the correct side. Alright guys, so this is what we have. So drop your comments in the comment section. So this is what we have. So see my front part. So guys, see you in my next video. Comment in the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this wonderful channel. Click on the thumbs up button to like this video so that others can see. The more likes this video gets, the more viral it goes. If you don't like, if you don't watch, other people will not be able to get access to this video. So kindly like the video by clicking the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share with friends and loved ones. Thank you so much. Bye for now.